Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forcing your PS4 to use the LAN connection instead of Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Obviously start by connecting the Ethernet cable to your PS4. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Network. Select Set up Internet Connection. Now select Use a LAN cable, then select Easy. Your PS4 Internet will now connect via LAN instead of Wi-Fi. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.